opese obia tino ho ase of the pitch in the classroom before we do pitching also. To do pitching also na or she cones and not or the assignment not to what enquire what the for you. So idea they'll finish by 9 a.m. and then they go onto the pitch and go and train for about 2 hours. And they'll call it off. Then they'll continue again. Yami Aduma Ochina. Once Ochina match day -1.
Sure.
That is so they will continue with something little that coaches shows there to fine tune the squad, their preparation, and Sana Yami Aduma. Remember every year 4 p.m. I will live on Sports Stadium near the Agrono at the Ashishas Wall.
Oh, okay. Mr. Paina, players no boys no Obia available for this game.
Yes, a few of them are now receiving no kana say no money available. No, Obi to say Rafael Abonza over here. Your last match I have boy, you know, coach man opportunity to see how ready he is coming back from injury. And obviously Karim for the few matches are not messy, and also he's also been able to get over it, and he's playing. Hussein, of course, radio, no, he received a knock into engineering match, you know, but fortunately the medical team worked so well on him.
Okay.
He didn't start. He came in along the line, also indicating that at least he's also getting back gradually and gradually. Subontin, and also after the match, yesterday the medical team had to attend to him just to make sure that because whatever medication tested some running on him, it was done on him as well. So he's also getting well. And then Martin Kakari, and also not a home fan, but he's been attended to. So Kakari is also getting back. We are hoping that if we are training, and as an upper training after 9 a.m., he will also be involved in the training as well. And we shouldn't also forget that Bessie wasn't involved in the game at all.
Yeah.
Because Yari. And also, he's been on medication. The coaches are monitoring him and hoping that he will also get some minutes in subsequent games.
Oh, okay. Black Stars #1, Benjamin Asare Martinez. Or no, so you say against Young Apostles. Now Asare and so Amubi.
Yes. Don't say Asare. Don't say if he have called Japan. The travel time, and yet, so if he had the call, which the Mua. And now, the jet lag, you need to rest as well. Then, so what we can could view was the 7 years stressed and answer tired and answer anything. Then you also be able to get over it. So the coaches also felt that it's a good opportunity to also give other players the opportunity to exhibit what they have. And let me say that Abibia Asari as our #1 and as a Ghana's #1, representing Ghana or Obibia in his absence, Obibia when your opportunity other to be involved has never disappointed. Sheriff Shuaib has always stepped in, and he's done well at all times. And then the past 2 matches against Radio Blacks and then Young Apostles, and also Solomon stepped in, and he's also done so well. So we are happy all the 3 goalkeepers are doing so well. And in the absence of one, we do know that there's no vacuum.
Oh, okay. Mr. Paina, Diana Ekum decision has to folk a movie here from Accra Sports Stadium to University of Ghana, Legon Sports Stadium.
Well, also, before season being years, the FA gives you an opportunity to choose a venue and then choose an alternative venue as well. So, Legon and a venue you choose the year. Once you bought top 4 in the year, that was our intention.
Okay.
Never continue to play our games today. But university authorities, MIA here say that pitch, they needed to put it at a very good level. It wasn't available. Initially, we were going to miss it for about 2-3 games, and but they needed to work on it. So, and it's that decision, and MIA is okay. If that be the case, then we have to go back to the alternative, which is or was the Accra Sports Stadium, and may move the call. Near Accra Sports Stadium, no, so we felt that even though near Bohas and Nakotoko, I will live on.
Yeah.
But your born Accra Sports Stadium, it's a big fixture.
Sure.
A lot of people will be coming, a lot of issues associated with it. So we felt that, okay, young boy, a match, you know, Accra Sports Stadium. That period, you know, the Legon Sports Stadium will be available for us. So we decided that young Kwan Sebi, young Nancy, and could take a decision.
Yeah.
Because we have always said that Yanni NCC4, we are on the same path. We sit together, we deliberate together, we come up with a common consensus. The NCC Nibini Ukasa, your culture should be the same fact as what I will tell you.
Yeah.
So we met with the NCC led by Chairman Yusuf and the RCC led by Addo.
Okay.
So we're all there in another deliberate here. Say, okay, your matches were. This is the period that Opare Addo is the Legon Sports Stadium as I am available. It is our first choice. We all want to deliberate over it. And again, at the meeting, agreed that let's go back to Legon since it was our first choice. So we all felt that, okay, and next day you notify Sports Authority for there. We'll be moving from Accra Sports Stadium to Legon. And also, general confirmation yesterday, everything was confirmed. So we'll be playing there from Saturday until the end of the season.
Yeah.
That is the DBR became one. I want your matches not to go out this season.
Okay, Mr. Opare, what says to me, Yama, say, you be season as a crown and can have so folk Eba Legon Sports Stadium. That I'm not your back community in Tinamo and Timiama. And the month will say, at the last season, so no has to full query and a performance near your few Accra Sports Stadium and not in Kui. I don't think you season, no more than was to Sana Monana.
Well, we took a lot of factors. Football now.
Yeah.
You need a lot of supporters to be at the stadium.
Sure.
So as much as you do, that's no, it is increasing though. But then we are hoping that it would have been far better, which together with everybody is a concern.
Okay.
But when you move to Legon, it's not a very big place. So if you are able to get about 10 or 11,000, then it means that you are almost getting a full capacity. And also the ambience for football, it sells very well. Then say, okay, your support level is very high. Everything is going on very well. Your matches are being patronized worldwide. It gives additional information to the corporate world, and as a Ubi officer sponsor club, and I say these things are going on very well. And also don't forget that time and also not Accra Sports Stadium.
Yeah.
Not because of national duty. It wasn't available for anybody.
Sure.
We didn't want to just sit unconcerned and I say aloof. Now ebedu ani akase kobo match work as well. So we needed to just make a decision, sit with the Legon people, and once I'm on my fixtures for the season, then I will be able to go out there and play.
Okay, Mr. Opare, yanku ya chikakra. You say nansem ho investors bi ba pobi man. Ema yete hu nsem bebre. You say akwa akosi say investors on ba pobi man no.
Well, idea common guso. Sabi on the investment nye say bia me no mi no ye hia nye decide say young got na be ni young got to and as it and whatever that we want.
Yeah.
You need to do a lot of paperwork. You need to do a lot of discussion. You need to discuss a lot of what the future is. How you'll be able to execute the plan. How you'll be able to implement it and make sure that it's very successful. How you'll be able to protect it and maintain it so that it becomes very viable and self-sustaining. Why you win in then you know that okay, we are starting on this day or that day, so that everything will go on very well for us. So, everything when it is completed, we let everybody get to know about it.
There has to folk ebusian better good news if it's uncommon.
But I say,
there has to folk ebusian better good news if it's uncommon.
Oh yes. We've gone very far with that discussion, and I'm very positive there.
nkra ne tete see bi adachi bi aso folk eba be see mini stadium bi ne ade san komo ni na wo
yes ni na wo mu se Timura from the Federal
yeah His Royal Highness yeah
His Royal Highness idea that the so far say as we have our own stadium then we are able to matches wo the idea you was to say yes they'll build something small there and just small like I'm using small as in comparative
okay
then we are Aurora ne Mano and Arroyo Oaks for no when teams come and rent it for training and as for then we can have a place that we call our own stadium. I will boy league matches and official matches over as well.
Oh, okay. Mr. Opare, na say has a full transfer ban honsem say na kwa akusi muni reading headache Kenyan say last week Ramo court boy enkomo
yes let's move it fast forward.
Okay.
From the artist no as that year
okay
he went through the player status, he went through all the stages and then the came more FIFA and then FIFA gave a ruling which we abided by the ruling. Then Rene took the issue back to FIFA indicating that the Sankomo placed the total embargo on Hasselhoff, freezing assets and Nenyama. But then what happened is that FIFA indicated that ruling on German is serving for 3 transfer windows. No? That's when the ban is going to take a 100% effect. That is if we have not paid.
Okay.
Conditional clause if we have not paid. So, at the upper Ghana,
yeah,
at the Hoku more court, whatever.
Okay.
That is renewing the lawyers. So on Tuesday, the lawyers for the club also went in there, had a discussion with them. Whatever that the two parties we have to agree on. Yes, we are all on the path. Then if the ruling comes from the court that okay, Monshisha Yamudia to Hono, maybe I Rene Ebejatu and I say Rene engine to Hono. That is where we will get to know that okay, once Rene says he's comfortable with whatever suggestion, has to focus the Ababetu. For example, a payment plan, and then he agrees, then both parties will indicate it to FIFA that this is what we have agreed upon. Then FIFA will also give the directive that okay, the man agrees say yes, you cannot which 2 times, so which 3 times, so which 10 times. So depending on the payment plan, more agree, you know. You only notify FIFA and you go ahead and then you make sure that it is done. So that FIFA will say that once I'm going to see, you know, once to say, see, I'm going to resolve the issue, you know. Matthias here, when making first payment, the transfer ban has been lifted, so you can register your players going forward.
Okay. So, meaning say, Mr. Opare, material okay, yeah, not just a house of folk, say, ABA money Rene, and the company be dinkomo. Now, the payment plan. Now,
concluded, yeah, even before the January transfer window.
Oh, okay. There's a pedio with the assurance or CBI January be window now. The Biabe come a mass of folk at me to players nibi.
Well, have to support the Ankana and can Akuman to Debbie, 24 Jumujuma.
Okay.
What is good for the team. And we all believe that what is good for the team will continue to do it, but we need the support of every phobia.
Okay, Mr. Opare boy nkomo yi pa yemra game Saturday baso no Saturday gate fee no say na moje e wo honum
simple one say legono en sheden ni segregation be pre transport stadium no
yeah
nti ono say ofo central line kra obetimi afa ho dia for plus that ofo popular standard e be musa the central line from one end to the other.
Sure.
So what we have done is that in consultation with Yehuni and Yetna decide this okay. Price and I were last season, because we believe that your supporters continue to patronize for the place of raise any concern. So the same 30 cities are now charging for the popular stand and center line. We have retained it. So that is what you ever charging Saturday airbay. Then VIP, so we'll take the 100 cities and a VIP, Okay, you know, it is just about 100. MC, you do 100%, 90 something.
Yeah.
So that is why we'll be charging the 150. And the presidential seat, you know, it's only 16 there. And also, no, it is not for sale. Your stakeholders and as your board members and as you give to the FA and those that are connected with whatever that you do.
Oh, okay. Mr. Palsi said the target necessary has to folk edgy league, no?
But also,
target for the season, the sense still has edgy league, no?
Well, simple. Also, football, when you are playing, you don't have to invite, sorry for my word, unnecessary pressure on your head. So what you have to do is that we are not in the competition. We want to be as competitive as possible and be competitively consistent. At all times, so when we need crampona, you shouldn't lose, so that you continue to move on, and then you continue to take it game after game. I hope that at the end of the season, all of your efforts out there to bring you some silverware, then you have something positive to show for the season.
Oh, okay. Mr. Opare Mijam wa kono me say ha support about Mr. Fifi Danka the message bia ba no say me musa ne bra Opare Addo say you say last season eye biena for e na ekete hasofu na e ba ne say na feed am no won man to aso yi
o say last season for
pe on message o de be no say eye biena omo na ekete has last season.
Okay.
But this season, yeah.
Okay, last season was Bina's fault.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so it's an agreement that is signed. Simple. When you guys are trying to be a radio station, I'm a see. The bad foul. I'm a fast sell account.
Okay.
I'm a fast president account.
Okay.
Say, Mumbai running a radio station, and you sign a contract.
Sure.
There's contract me for 1 year, another 2 years, another 3 years. When it ends, that's the whole percent based on the agreements between the two parties, you can continue.
Okay.
But if you don't want to continue, and now your agreement says that you can go your separate ways by giving notification, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So we felt that yes, we had benefits from Bina. They gave us, they closed us last season, but this season, we needed to jump on to another stage, which brought on K Sports. K Sports is what the company that is catering us now.
Oh, okay.
And at K Sports, it cuts across from the senior team, the technical team, and they call Aroras, the technical team as well, and a Mano team, that is OPC.
Wow.
And then they call Royal Hoops as well, and the under 17.
Oh, okay. Into Moody, no some contract they are feeling Kwana, it was to be 2-3 seasons.
K Sports, for now, a 1 year agreement that we have with them.
Oh, okay. Okay, Mr. Opare has to focus on Common on the 12 Jumedi. So,
well, some of it is those they are saying. I mean, country supporters there. Yes, the rumors will come and all of that. But let's continue to stand strong and support our team, and then make sure that Obia or concerns you can.
Etie Kanuba could 2-1 and a after the game. Coach Karim Zito, head coach Masante Kotoko, we know the two.
This game, seriously, we should have won this game. Once again, we squandered the chances. We took your chances. So, to me, we shouldn't have lost this game, but it's part of the game, so it is okay.
Let's see the way for Kotoko now, coach.
The way for every club, we all want to win the league. It's not only Kotoko. If the way you play here, the way you are playing every club, there wouldn't be last. So Kotoko, everybody wants to beat Kotoko. That is the magnetic of the issue. But we didn't play badly. We played good football, and we created chances. But putting the ball into the net was another once again the problem. But so far so good. We are playing the league.
Coach, your next assurance for the supporters were expecting nice or...
This is football. This is football.
What do you have for?
This is football. We are playing the league. You will beat, they will beat you, you will draw. So we are still chasing. We have 20 the one leading is having 23. So it's only one match, and we are playing at home on Sunday. So it's good. We are still chasing. Thank you.
Okay, coach Karim Zito, head coach Emma Asante Kotoko, and now the Sansen Etujana, and what you know, Osanzo de Kakra Etuja. Okay, young friend, you see one Nafi, young Twaso Nafi, young Queen. Okay, and a coach Karim Zito, and now the Sansen Etuja after the game, and which seems a basically stars. Performance of Mudan against Asante Kotoko. Says, San Bonafidia. Kababi omuday Kenya ho no modan ko the league ni suru baby na team bia wo hia kotoko bia no e de ahode fufu bi na ebo kujitu and now the science etu edwa. It's a league atwede no e dia na di kan 23 points. Heart of Lions etoso mi 22, Medium atoso mi 22, Asante Kotoko toso 20, Gold Stars toso enum 19 points, House of Folk etoso nsia 18 points. Etwa so sa eko ewo